Okay, first of all, we have a general commitment to Kazakhstan in the field of education. Each year at the Italian National Day, close to the ambassador, there is the Minister of the Education, just to signal that for us is a priority field. Then we have three sectors in which we are developing very fast our cooperation. First one is, of course, Italian language. Italian language, we are going very, very fast. We will open soon in Astana a center of Italian language and culture dedicated to Enrico Mattei, the founder of ENI, in the National Bibliothèque under the Bajterek Tower, so everybody will know where to learn Italian. We will increase our efforts in the Italian department existing everywhere and also schools, from Aktobi to Astana to Almaty to Karaganda. We have growing numbers of Kazakhstan people learning Italian. Then we have, of course, the university. And there too, we are increasing the number of cooperation between universities. Here in Almaty, as you know, the cooperation with the Al-Farabi University and Ca' Foscari of Venice is growing every year. Many, many more projects every year. In Astana, we just signed a new project in the medicine field between the Astana Medical University and the University La Sapienza of Rome. Then we also have many cooperation in the economics between the Nazarbayev University in Astana and Università La Bocconi Milano. And then we also have a third volet, is beyond the language, beyond the language school, university is research. And in research, we have an increasing number of agreements. Just to quote the most recent interesting concern Almaty is the one between the Academy of Science of Almaty and the homologue Academy of Science of Roma on the astronomic physics. So we are talking about very advanced field of physics where both countries, Kazakhstan and Italy, they have a tremendous traditions of excellence. So there we can certainly create synergies that will benefit everybody, Kazakh, Italians, but also the others that are coming with us all along.
Okay.
Grazie. Farabi University has a special role in the academic world in all Central Asia, not only Kazakhstan. The prestige of the name of Al-Farabi, the prestige of all the scientists, great professors that have been teaching here, give to this university a special responsibility and a special light. So we all recognize, we foreign ambassadors, Al-Farabi University as a top player in the academic world all over Central Asia, and can certainly be a major engine for the future of this country, not just in terms of GDP, of economy, but of civilization. And civilization is what makes a country great. And with Al-Farabi taking the lead, we are in good hands. Grazie.